Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it's going to be another chilly one tonight. You may need the heater or at least throw on an extra blanket, and be careful with those space heaters, by the way. But after that, milder temperatures, and as we head toward the weekend, lots of 70s, might even hit 80 degrees perhaps Saturday, maybe even Sunday before it cools down again. So let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48. Still winter-like in the northeast with snow flying as far south as eastern Tennessee and western North Carolina, and then on northeastward. Next weather system taking shape off to the west, and that's eventually going to deliver a pretty good chance of rain and storms here. Another strong storm system across the plains. Well, we're going to see the tail end of that system. More on that in just a bit. Meanwhile, though, we're starting to see a fair bit of high clouds streaming across the area, so temperatures may not drop a whole lot more. And on top of that, we have a little bit of a southwest wind that's developed out at the airport. I do expect the winds to go calm, but in response to that, dew points at 30 earlier, now up to 37, and temperatures have been hovering in the mid 40s, 43 degrees right now, so just a few more degrees tonight. Spots to the north away from the cirrus clouds are going to be colder tonight, and still the risk of frost. Here are the readings this morning: upper 20s to lower 30s, central Louisiana into northern portions of Acadiana. 35 indeed was the low in Lafayette, and we topped out at 59, and now you can see things are cooling down, and it is cooler, especially off to the north and east where skies are fair. And some of that colder air may drain southwestward overnight tonight if the winds go calm, so that's why we'll still go upper 30s and the chance of some frost, especially northern portions of Acadiana. So chilly as we start the day tomorrow with mostly sunny skies, but we're going to start to see stratiform clouds coming in right around lunchtime, so we'll go from mostly sunny to partly cloudy and perhaps to mostly cloudy by day's end, but we'll have temperatures in the 60s for a good part of tomorrow afternoon. So getting milder, cool tomorrow night, but not nearly as cool. And as we head into Thursday, we do expect some scattered shower activity as Gulf moisture returns out ahead of our next weather system that may pack a little bit of a punch. Here's low pressure that will be coming out of the Rockies. Showers and storms developing in the Gulf of Mexico as we go into Friday afternoon. This is the European model solution, and there will be some sort of severe weather threat, especially north of Acadiana, but we might be in the mix. Tough to tell, and it's tough to generate severe storms this time of year unless you got the low close to us and we have more dynamics, but the upper level portion of this system may generate a few rotating storms, perhaps an isolated tornado. So something that we'll be keeping an eye on for Friday. Right now, we could just say a marginal risk at best for severe weather locally. After that, this frontal trough moves on through, and maybe some sunshine Saturday afternoon, so that's going to push the temperatures into the upper 70s, perhaps lower 80s. A little bit cooler Sunday as drier air from the north and west begins to move in. The European model clears us out for Monday into Tuesday. GFS has another story, so beyond the next 4 to 5 days, that forecast may change down the road. Mid-30s tonight, northern parishes. This is where there will be most likely the best chance for some frost. Upper 30s to near 40 I-10 corridor, and much the same coastal parishes. And then tomorrow, after that chilly start, we get into the mid-60s, so that's going to feel a little bit better. And then as we head into tomorrow night, mid to upper 50s, lower 60s at daybreak Thursday, and then well into the 70s as we head into Thursday afternoon. So a chilly night tonight, not quite as cold, some patchy frost to the north. Keep the plants covered just in case for tonight. Then for tomorrow, up to 67 for a high. Chilly start. The clouds, though, increasing throughout the day. Probably mostly cloudy skies by day's end. As we move down the road, a few showers on Thursday at 30 to 40%. Friday's the day we're going to keep an eye on. We'll go with a 70% chance of rain and thunderstorms. The possibility maybe of a few severe storms, a couple of inches of rain. We'll get a better beat on that as we get closer to the weekend. And then for now, next week, cooler, drier, then only to warm up again for the following weekend. Up and down temperatures in November, December, but that is par for the course.
It absolutely is. Thank you, Rob.